Google just launched Gemma 3, a brand new AI model that's creating a lot of buzz. It can work both online and locally, speaks 140 languages, handles advanced text and visual reasoning, and boasts a 128K token context window. On top of that, it's supposedly the most capable model you can run on a single GPU or TPU. Today, I want to give you a first look at Gemma 3's features and show you how to install it locally on your computer with ease. Let's start by testing Gemma 3 online. I'll ask it to list some healthy foods in English and translate them into Hindi. Right away, it generates a nice lineup of ingredients and even points out possible regional differences. Then I'll ask for some sample code for an image gallery, and it not only writes the HTML and CSS, but also explains every piece of the code in detail, even though I never asked for a breakdown. So far, it's showing a lot of promise, and I'll keep playing around with it to see what else it can do. Now, about installing Gemma 3 locally, we're going to use a tool called Ollama, which you can download for free from the Ollama website. Once there, pick your operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac, and wait for the file to finish downloading. After that, just double-click and follow the usual installation steps. With Ollama installed, you can either open it directly, which typically just leaves it running in the background, or, better yet, search for Command Prompt, or Terminal on some systems, and type Ollama. You should see a list of commands that confirms everything is set up correctly. Next, go to the Ollama Models page and look for Gemma 3. You'll find different sizes: 1B, 4B, 12B, 27B. So, make sure you pick one your computer can actually handle. I'm choosing 1B for this example. Copy the download command, paste it into Command Prompt, and let Ollama pull in all the necessary files. When that's done, type Ollama run Gemma 3 and press Enter. This will finalize the setup and launch Gemma 3 locally. From here, you can ask it to do everything. It supports more than 140 languages, so feel free to put that to the test and see what else it can handle.